Let's talk about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, which will launch this summer. The Z Fold 7 will be the slimmest foldable of its time. Z Fold 7 could be less than 4.2 mm in thickness. A tipster claims that the Z Fold 7 will lack S Pen support, just as the Z Fold Special Edition. Samsung's 2025 foldables are reportedly getting larger. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 could make their debut with larger displays. Galaxy Z Fold 7 will now look like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. The display crease on the Z Fold 7 is almost gone. Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8.0-inch foldable display. Both displays will be dynamic AMOLED and support a 120 Hz refresh rate, and its brightness to something a little more impressive. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC Galaxy chipset, also have 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with a 200 MP main camera, a 4400 mAh battery pack on the next-gen foldable flagship. The phone will also ship with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 are expected to start at the same price, $1,099 for the Flip 7 and $1,899 for the Fold 7. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.